Emily Campbell, and I'm the principal at Heartland Elementary. Welcome to our 2024-25 school year open house. Despite the rain tonight, we are packed and a lot of smiles and a lot of happy faces, and we just have a bunch of new students this year that we are welcoming and can't wait to get started next week. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Crystal Miller, the librarian here at Heartland Elementary. This year we have some exciting things planned with a book fair in the fall. We'll be showcasing that around the end of October. Throughout the library you'll see a lot of famous characters that you might know. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. We do have a lot of new books this year, so we also will be doing accelerated readers, so you'll hear more about that as the school year goes on, and we look forward to welcoming back all of our readers to the library, and we can't wait for you to arrive.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Rose, and I'm the music teacher here at Heartland. We're so excited to welcome our students back tonight at Open House, and we're looking forward to another great year together. Thank you.
I'm Ryan Newman. I'm the physical education and health teacher here at Heartland Elementary. Looking forward to getting the kids moving this year and learning about health and learning how to live a healthy lifestyle and have a great school year.
Hello, my name is Miss McCombs, and I am the art teacher here at Heartland. And this year we have got a lot of fun things planned. We have an art show that's going to be themed around the rainforest later on this year, and of course our holidays around the world is always a big hit. We are planning on doing some fake stained glass and art this year, and lots of fun projects. And then I also sponsor Beta Club here at the school, and this year is all about Radiate. That's our theme. So we are all about sunshine and positivity, and it's going to be a really fun year. So we're really excited and can't wait to get started.
Hi, I'm Carolyn Meadows. I'm the PTO president this year. We've got several things that we're doing. Different spirit nights, some fundraising events. Tonight we're offering Crown Point cards that are $10, and the school actually receives 100% of the proceeds for that, which is amazing. We're also doing a silent auction. We've got a couple of giveaways, but lots of fun new events planned for the future, and looking forward to a good school year.
Hi, I'm Allison Birch, and I teach kindergarten at Heartland Elementary, and I'm so excited to have the students back and get into a great school year.
My name is Allie Brown, and I went to Central Hardin High School. This is my first year teaching, and I'm teaching kindergarten, and I'm so excited for this school year.
Hi, my name is Rita McMillan. I am the Family Resource Coordinator here at Heartland Elementary, and we are here tonight having our open house. This is the Family Resource Table. We have some information on attendance. We have a little chart here parents can hang up on their refrigerator to keep track of the days that their student might be absent. We have work kids can do at home, some ideas to keep your kiddos busy. We're giving away some free toothbrushes and information, but this is our new little project we're doing here at Heartland. We are a Purple Star school, and we would like to feature all of the diversity here at Heartland. We have students from all over the world who come to us who might be military, might be not. And so we are having our students fill out a little tag with their name or their family's name, and they can put it on the map where they're coming from or where they've lived in the past. And once we get them all up here, we're going to take string and bring everybody over to our heart at Heartland and just show that we're all one big family once you walk through our doors here. So we're really excited to have our kids back for the new school year.
Hi, I'm Shannon Ashley, and I'm the cafeteria manager at Heartland Elementary. We always love to make great meals for you guys, so please come and see us. Breakfast and lunch is free. You do have a green form in your paperwork from your teachers. Please fill that out and get that back into us. It is very important for our program so we can continue to offer the great meals that we serve every day.